Hello and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will show you how you can create styles in Figma. So if I click on this frame, let's add a desktop desktop screen here. Okay, desktop frame here. Okay, so now you can create styles for stroke, for fill, for effects, and then layout grid. Okay, there's many options are there for which you can create styles and save it in your Figma file. Okay, so first of all, um, you know I'll try to add a layout grid here. Okay, I'll show how you can save this style afterwards. First of all, let me edit the grid here. Okay, uh, let the count be 12. Okay, then the margin will be 60, 20 gutter, that's fine. Okay, so now this I have done. Okay, so now how you can save this. Okay, so you are going to simply click on this four dots here. Okay, the style, you can see that the tooltip comes saying that it's the style. So click on this and then you see here at this stage you don't have any of the style saved. What you're going to do is click on the plus button here. Okay, and here I'm going to write desktop desktop uh, grid style. That's it. That is how you can save the grid here. Okay, one is done. Now I'm going to hide this one by clicking on Shift plus G. Now if I come to this one, the fill. Okay, so let me give a fill color to this one, maybe a random color. I would just a little bit of light color I prefer for the background. So for example, I want this background color to be there. Okay, I want to save this color which I'm going to use um, a lot of times maybe. Okay, so here you see the four dots, and then same thing, you don't see any no colors available for now, right? So click on the plus. Okay, and you can give it as um, light green shade maybe. Okay, shade, or maybe you can write just background. Okay, background green. That's it. So your style is created now. Okay, that's it. Now the color is saved here. Now I would come to the stroke. Okay, for the stroke I'm going to simply draw a circle inside the frame. Okay, here is my circle. Now I'm going to add a stroke. Now I'll edit the stroke a little bit. Okay, so I want it to be, yeah, okay, so okay, so here I have the stroke. What I'm going to do is again click on this one. The four dot is available here in the stroke also, right? Click on that and then just write stroke maybe one, stroke one. Okay, that's it. You saw that how you can save a stroke also here. Okay, that's it, like how you are going to save your styles in Figma. Now if I come to how you can actually now use the styles, now I'll come to that also. Okay, so first of all I'll again go to I'll again create a desktop here. Then now I want the grid style. I want to add the grid style. Okay, what I'm going to do here is click on this. Okay, click on this one, the style one. Okay, you see it is saved here. I think it's visible. It's there, right? The saved one. So you click on this. That's it. That's it. How you use the saved styles in your files. Okay. Now, if I come to the fill, here I have the background. I have the stroke. Okay. That's it. The background is applied. Now I want to draw a small square inside it. Now I'll try to add a stroke to it. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So here you see when you hover on it, then this four dots come. Okay. There you need to click and then click on stroke. That's it. This is applied. I'll change the color for you. Wait. Okay. I'll hide it. Yes. Can you see that the stroke is applied here? So that is how easily you can save styles and use styles in your Figma files. Okay. So that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any doubts regarding this styles and all. If you want to know anything, if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.